Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Apple Tech or Apple Tech review once again. Today we are back with one of the rare speakers. Guys, you have heard of GBL, you have heard of Harman Kardon, bass, Boss, such type of speakers, but this is not Martin Audio, but it's BMTL. It's made by a company called XDOBO. So if you know you're someone who is interested in one of the best speakers with best quality, actually this is not a robot, it doesn't have FM radios, so just know this is a speaker. Today we are going to do a review. I show you the best specifications on this, then I'm sure guys you will love it. This is one of the rare. As you can see, the company has been existing since 2007. You understand? So let's go ahead, we do a quick unboxing, then we jump into the review. Thanks. So guys, that was a quick unboxing, so let's proceed with quick review of this WOW MAX speaker. All right, let's proceed. So this one, it is equipped with 300 watts. As you know that 300 watts is so huge for a speaker. As you can see, it has 7 kg in size, in weight, so it is good for outdoor environment. As you know that outdoor needs high power. So let's proceed and we go to frequency. Guys, this frequency, it comes with 32 to 20 kilohertz. As you can know that that is super high frequency. So it comes with a 8-unit power system, and as you know, it comes with also audio output. So it comes with Bluetooth, which is 5.3. As you know, 5.3 supports up to 15 meters, which is enough for us. So putting Bluetooth aside, it comes with a lot of pre modes, that is Bluetooth, aux, and the TF stroke micro SD, and the USB flash drive. As you can see them here, that is flash. And we have also the rare one, which is OTG. OTG is not common with most of the speakers, but this one is equipped with so many. You cannot fail to have one to use. If you don't like Bluetooth, you can go for flash. If you don't like that, you can go for aux, supporting from one speaker to another. All right, so let's proceed and we switch this one on. Yeah, so this one comes with a system of microphones, so you can use your microphones. This one is for a microphone. As you can see, this side is for microphone, so meaning it's super cool for karaoke. You have birthday, you have such small parties, it's super good for karaoke. You understand guys? So those microphones that are often bundled with two wireless microphones are good for such outdoor speakers. Then we also have the battery system. Guys, the battery system here, it can support charging. You understand? Reverse charging. It can charge your phone up to like 8 hours. You understand? Yeah, you have like 2 3 phones. It can charge them. Then again, it can pray up to, it has inside, it has inbuilt power bank. You understand? It has inbuilt power banks. It can charge your phone. Again, it can go up to 72 hours when it is played on a low volume, or it can go up to 12 hours when you have increased the volume to up to 16. You understand? Then the charging, it charges, it takes 4 to 6 hours to get full. And again, not forgetting the fast charging of 5 to 20 volts, that is 3 amperes input. You understand? Meaning, if you have a wireless, if you have a fast charger which can support 3 amps, it can charge for 4 hours and it gets full, guys. You understand? So, not forgetting its dimension, the sizes, it is 550 times 240, 550 times 240 to 300. You understand? Millimeter in size. You understand? The weight, as I've told you, that is 7 kg. It is super heavy. Don't send your child to collect it for you from the house. He or she can damage it. You understand, guys? So again, when you are having a party and it happens, it is raining, don't feel worried of these water drops. It has waterproof. Understand? Waterproof of around IP54. So don't forget, and you submit it in water. You understand? Yeah. So guys, that is it. Let's go ahead and I do for you a quick test. Guys, that was a quick review about BMTL made by XDOBO company. So if you are interested in having such speaker, it's called WOW MAX 2007. If you are interested, you can get yourself one of these. As you have seen, it has one of the best soft music and good bass. So if you are interested, please don't waste your money and you buy other speakers that don't have such sound. Thanks for visiting. Don't forget to like and subscribe and put a comment. Thanks. Catch you in the next video.